In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Uber Cash as your default payment method and fix checkout issues on Uber. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to uber.com. Once the site loads, sign in to your account if needed, then head over to your account area and open the wallet or payment section. This is where Uber stores your available payment methods, credits, and payment preferences. And take a moment to make sure you're in the correct payment dashboard before changing anything, especially if you use more than one payment option. When you're in the wallet section, look for the Uber Cash setting. You should see a selector or toggle that allows you to turn Uber Cash on as your default payment method. Switch that setting to on. When this is enabled, Uber will try to use your Uber Cash balance first during checkout, which can help streamline the payment process and avoid confusion if multiple payment methods are saved on the account. After turning it on, give the page a second to register the update so the change is properly saved. If the payment page seems stuck, doesn't refresh correctly, or your selection doesn't appear to apply, the next step is to clear your stored cookies and temporary browser data in Chrome. This helps remove old cached files that may be interfering with the page. In Chrome, open your browser settings, find the privacy and browsing data section, and clear cookies along with cached images and files. This is a common fix for checkout problems because outdated browser data can sometimes prevent account changes from displaying properly or stop payment pages from loading the latest version. Once that's done, return to Uber and reload the payment transaction page. After the refresh, the site should pull updated account data and display your Uber Cash preference correctly. From there, continue with checkout and complete your transaction as usual. As a helpful tip, if the page still doesn't behave correctly after reloading, make sure Chrome is up to date and that you're not using an extension that blocks scripts or cookies, since those can interfere with payment pages. But in most cases, simply enabling Uber Cash, clearing cache and cookies, and reloading the page is enough to resolve the issue. That's it. You should now be ready to check out successfully using Uber Cash as your default payment method.